Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Stoic Compass. I'm Jim.
And I'm Ellie, so glad you're with us.
Before we dive into today's deep thoughts, please do us a solid and hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. It really helps us share this Stoic wisdom with more folks. Thanks a bunch.
Yes, your support means the world to us.
All right, Ellie, today we're tackling a question that frankly keeps me up sometimes. What happened to my life? It's that sneaky whisper in the middle of the night.
It's a sentiment Alison Moore captures beautifully in her piece, The Grace of Letting Go, from the Heroic Stoic.
She talks about that moment when you realize life doesn't quite look like the masterpiece you sketched out in your early 20s. You know, perfect career, grown-up dinner parties, a mortgage that makes sense.
Right. And instead, maybe it's just a wilting houseplant and nagging questions.
Yeah.
That quiet 3 a.m. sigh.
True.
Or the existential wobble while brushing your teeth.
Got it. And the sudden realization you still don't understand taxes.
Exactly. But here's the profound truth, Jim, and for our listeners, everyone feels this.
Right.
Even that person on social media with the seemingly perfect life.
Good point. Nobody buys that many throw cushions unless something's going on.
Indeed. The truth is, many of these shoulds weren't our own desires.
Exactly.
They were embroidered into our subconscious by society at large.
Exactly.
And from a Stoic perspective,
Oh, interesting.
letting go of what you thought your life should look like isn't giving up. It's growing up. It's pulling the plug on the performance.
So it's about ditching someone else's script?
Precisely. This echoes the Stoic principle of the dichotomy of control.
Right.
We often fixate on external outcomes, things beyond our control.
True.
Like a perfect career timeline or a specific relationship status.
Got it. Like trying to control the weather instead of just bringing an umbrella.
A perfect analogy. The Stoics would urge us to instead focus on what is within our control, our judgments, our reactions, and our acceptance of what is.
So taking a proper look at my own life, even if it's messy, is actually a Stoic move?
Absolutely. As Socrates famously said, the unexamined life is not worth living.
Right.
Letting go of what you thought life should be, that's not failure.
Yeah, I see.
That's you, bravely taking a proper look.
Absolutely.
It's gritty, it's grown up, and it's gorgeously brave.
I like that. Gritty and gorgeously brave.
Right.
My timeline is definitely recalculating and occasionally yelling, make a U-turn.
And in that glorious space where the old, rigid dreams have started to peel off the walls,
Makes sense.
something new emerges.
Yeah.
Something honest.
Exactly.
Something truly yours.
So my worth isn't tied to my age, my bank statements, or whether I've figured out how to use an air fryer properly? Because, spoiler, I probably haven't.
No, your worth is not tied to those externals.
Right.
You are not late.
Yeah.
You're just on a timeline so specific to you that no one else could possibly understand it.
That makes sense. It's about accepting the present moment rather than lamenting a past that never happened.
Exactly. This leads us to the Stoic practice of acceptance.
Right.
Cultivating acceptance without becoming passive. Your life might be a bit wonky, but it's yours.
Yeah.
And your self-awareness is blooming.
So unclench that timeline, soften, breathe.
Yeah.
And eventually look at your life and say, all right, this wasn't what I pictured.
I see.
But it's mine, and I'm still here.
True.
So let's see what's next.
Absolutely. Perfectly put, Jim. Let that be enough. Let that be lovely.
Yeah.
It's about aligning your thoughts with reason and virtue, accepting what is,
Right.
and courageously embracing your unique path.
Exactly. Well, I'll be darned. This isn't just about feeling better, it's about living better, right?
Precisely. It's about becoming. And frankly, our listeners are doing it brilliantly, even if their socks don't match.
Thanks for hanging out with us on the Stoic Compass.
Right.
Remember, your life may not be what you ordered, but it's got potential.
True.
And more importantly, it's got you.
Until next time, embrace the grace of letting go and keep striving for that virtuous path.